Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning the right side versus the wrong side of amigurumi. If you're working in rounds, this is something you need to know. It's called the right side because it tends to look better when you use this side, but you can also use the wrong side depending on the type of amigurumi you're making. So when in doubt, just use the right side facing outwards, it looks better. Now you may be thinking, bro, they look exactly the same to me. How can you tell the difference? So if you look closely, the right side stitches make a V shape all around, the ridges are more distinct, and it's more simple to count the ridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you compare it to the wrong side, you notice that the wrong side has bumps and you don't see any V shapes, which doesn't look that nice. So now that we are all on team right side, I want to show you a quick demonstration of how to crochet with the right side facing outwards, which is what we want. You can see our hook going from the outside to the inside of the piece. If your piece starts curving with the wrong side facing out, to fix this, flip your piece over and keep working from the right side.